Hello everyone. Welcome again to this YouTube channel English Literature with Irdham. If you are a student of English Literature or preparing for BA, MA, UGC NET, JRF, GKSET or any other university exams, then you are at the right place. And in today's lecture, we are going to understand a very basic but extremely important question which is asked everywhere, that what is English Literature? What is its scope? What are the major periods of English literature, and which exams are related to English literature. This lecture will help beginners as well as exam aspirants to build a career foundation. So let us begin with the most basic question, which is almost asked everywhere to the literature students, that what is the definition of English literature? And English literature is basically refers to literary works and artistic expressions written in the English language. And these works include drama, poetry, fiction, including novels and short stories, essays and prose, critical and theoretical writings. English literature is not just about short stories or poems. It reflects human emotions, society and culture, politics, history, gender, power, psychological and philosophical ideas. In short, English literature is the study of texts, contexts, and interpretations. Now, come towards the second question, which is almost asked everywhere to every literature student, that why do you study English literature? So, it is because English literature develops critical thinking, it improves language and expression, it helps understand society, history, ideology, and culture. It trains the mind to analyze texts deeply. For competitive exams, it tests your memory, analysis, and interpretation. And it also helps in essay writing, comprehension, and MCQs. Now, another question which is always asked to literature students, that what is the scope of English literature? That after reading English literature, what is its scope? What is its utilization? What are the areas where we can utilize our English literature knowledge? So, being study English literature at college, universities, you can have its academic scope. For example, at BA level, MA level, MPhil, and PhD. In competitive exams, this subject is core for UGC NET, JRF, JKSET, other competitive exams, and also university entrance exams. And for the career scope, if we say, then students of English literature can work as teachers and professors, researchers, content writers, editors, critics, civil service aspirants, media and publishing professionals, and in short, English literature combines academics, research, and professional opportunities. And when we study English literature, we have different timelines. Old English, Middle English, and the modern English. And I hope that in The upcoming videos and the lectures, we would be dealing with the different ages, timelines, kings, the dynasties, and different literary works, and their themes and core ideas. And I hope that we all would be learning this English literature and understanding its core, its ideas, and its objectives. Thank you.